Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel called UpScaleRev. Fikri Fadli here. Today I'm going to make a review about a new software called Artoon Gallery Cash Empire. This product is one of the ClickBank product, and this video I'm going to give you a full review about this product. What you will learn in this video is I'm going to show you who is the creator of this product and what is this software for, how does it work, who is this made for, how much to pay, the demo, pros and cons of this product, and my final conclusion. But before I continue, if you want to get my exclusive bonuses, you can see the link below this video, and I guarantee you that those are the bonuses that you don't want to miss. Now, for the first, who is the creator? The name is Jimmy Chappell. This is one of the creator of many products. He is an entrepreneur, internet marketer, and a product creator. And there are so many products that has been launched by him. This is some of the product that has been launched by him. You can see, and there are a ton. About more than 50 products has been launched under his hood. And what is Artoon Gallery Cash Empire? This is a software that can turn any picture into a real product on Amazon. Just by a simple setup, you can have a product into your Amazon account, and you can sell it just by click and make any description and title. I will show you in the demo. And when when there is someone purchase your item, then the Artoon Gallery will automatically edit and make and send your painting or artwork to your customer worldwide, globally. It means that you don't have to spend so much time to produce any product in your Amazon account. Just by having a picture, and then it will be uploaded in your Amazon account and your Amazon e-commerce or platform there, and it will automatically when someone buy it, it will automatically be purchasing through the Artoon, and then you will collect a flat $500 paycheck. For note, you can find copyright-free artwork. It means that if you cannot make your own artwork, then you can get a free copyright picture in some kind of website like pexels.com or Pixabay. Now I will tell you how does it work. First, you have to choose your image or images, and then you upload it into the Artoon Gallery Cash Empire software, and then it will be automatically create a premium canvas or painting artwork, and then it will be uploaded in your Amazon account as a product, and then if someone buy it, you get a profit of $500. Who is this software for? This software is for anyone who wants to have a new side hustle. If you want to build something more than just your regular income, then you need to make a new side hustle, and this is one of the alternative for you. And for someone who wants to make money from home, this is one of the best, I think. And for e-commerce entrepreneurs, for Amazon marketer, for dropshipper, because you don't have to produce any product, it will be automatically produced by Artoon. And for anyone art creator. And about pricing, the front end price is $297. It will be launched at May 1st for 4 days, and after that the price will be up high $497. For an upsell one, for gold upgrade, you have to pay for $97, and for VIP membership you have to pay $147 per month. This is the member area that I'm showing you. If you want to make a new product, you just have to fill your name here and your email for your PayPal address, and upload the images or image for your product here, and then the preview will show up here, and then you have to make the title. It will be so in your Amazon listing, and then give the description here and a brief explanation here, and then submit. This is what you will get in what you will see in the product you upload or you make from the Artoon Gallery software. You can see that the product is like painting, so everyone can purchase it and put it in their homework, in their home or their living room, somewhere else like that. And what I like from this program is this software is because Amazon is nowadays is like a gold mine, because there is about 2.5 billion sales in a month in a single platform like Amazon.com. No need to purchase any initial product because it kinds of like print on demand, so you don't have to purchase any initial product for your business. And the painting and artwork of this program is auto-produced, so you don't have to make a team of production or team of customer service. Everything will be done by the Artoon. No inventory to manage because it's a print on demand product, and no need to make any website because we will sell the product in Amazon. It is also the beginner friendly and no customer service required. And then what I don't like from this program, and the disadvantages, maybe I can say, it's about the copyright issues, because if someone upload an image or images that is copyrighted by anyone or any company, you will be get strike from them. But you can also use the free stock image, but also there is a problem here, because there are chances that someone copying your product. And if you market it in Amazon, there is no guarantee that the product will be sold, because I can say that there are 2.5 billion sales in 1 month, but there's no guarantee that it is your product. And then this kind of artwork is a good product to sell on Amazon, because maybe there is so much sale for that artwork, or nothing at all at a month. It based on research. So I suggest you to make a research about this. This artwork is a good product to sell on Amazon. If it's not, then this software is not good for you. Okay, my rating is 4.2 stars. It means that it is good but not too good, because the cons that I have told you. But still, it is one of the good side hustle, because it doesn't require you very much time to produce an artwork, and you don't have to manage the inventory. No upfront costs for this, just software and any click for you. Maybe that's all I can say for this review. If you want to purchase any of this Artoon product, and you will also get my exclusive bonuses from the link below this product. See you.